I think they want me. Duckies! No, the geese are gonna attack me. I can't go over there. Here, geese, you want that? Go over there. No, those ones, the big ones. Okay, let them attack you. I don't want them to attack me. Mom, they're scary. Mom, they're gonna kill us. Jenny can't, she's trapped. Ah, the geese are following me.
Why are they running away?
They're because they're pigs. They're pigs, and what do you want?